Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to recover your LinkedIn profile without any email or phone number. Alright, right here, if you can see, if you close this, we are here on the LinkedIn app, and right now we want to sign in, so we click on sign in. Then from here we click on forgot password, and right now, if you can see, he will send us to this. Now from here we want to fill in an email address, but an email address that is totally different than we are using. So let's say tomflex@gmail.com, and then we click on next. Right now let's do a quick security check, so let's verify that we are a human by clicking on this one. Now it's done, and now he will send us further. LinkedIn sent the 6-digit code to our email address, but from now we don't have access, so we click on can't access this email. Write down the email that you want to use, so let's say tomflex@gmail.com. Now let's say tomflex@gmail.com. You can also put here in your LinkedIn public profile URL, but for now I don't have it, so then we do continue. Then choose the country where you live. So let's say I live in the Netherlands. So I select Netherlands and I do continue. And right now, this is the moment where you need to do the work, because right now LinkedIn needs your ID. So passport or your driver license or something like this. So if you now click on verify persona, accept the terms of that, and please send them your ID or passport or the information that they need. And after that, they will link you with a new login. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for